Grayleaf Unscented Cat Litter Deodorizer actually neutralizes ammonia instead of just masking odors. Its activated carbon and mineral formula traps strong smells on contact, providing continuous freshness, even in multi-cat homes or automatic litter boxes. This dust-free deodorizer keeps your space clean without overwhelming scents. Offered in a massive 35.2 ounces bulk size, this deodorizer delivers unbeatable value and lasts for months. Its non-tracking beads prevent messes, while the baking soda-free, pH-neutral formula with honeysuckle extract is gentle on sensitive cats. It also controls moisture to extend litter life by up to 50%, making daily cleanup easier.